Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock winter exclusive supplies on Heartopia. So how you can unlock white radish seeds and the recipes from Massimo. You actually have to start the quest first with them. So you are going to talk to them one by one, to Blanc, to Massimo, to start the quest. And then after that, you'll be able to then purchase the thing you need. So right now I need radish seeds. So I'm just going to purchase that. And then as you can see, I also got the penguin stove. I think you can only cook it in your house. And there's now frosting as well here that you are able to purchase. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. Um, do I get the stove, or I think I have to craft the stove? So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Just talk to the NPCs to unlock the quests that they have on hand. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.